बिल्कुल टनाटन वाला खाना है। और टनाटन एक ऐसा लफ्ज़ है कि जिससे अंदाज़ा आ जाता है कि खाना कैसा कमाल का होगा। कि आई एम श्योर कि शायद इसकी एक कमी थी मुंबई शहर में जो दादर में पूरी हुई है। एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी जॉइनिंग देम। एंड इसका स्वाद लेने के लिए सबको आना चाहिए। मैं इसीलिए आया हूँ कि बहुत कमाल होगा। एंड आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट। यूँ ही टनाटन करते रहिए।
I would like to wish Mr. Amit Paul all the best and looking forward to go try some of the cuisines of him. Yes, thank you.
टनाटन देखने की बड़ी इच्छा थी। जू में जब भी जाते थे वहाँ बहुत हम माहौल देख के खुशी होती थी। तो अभी ये दादर में ओपन हुआ है। पहले तो मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा। और कोइंसिडेंस है कि ये आज ओपन हो रहा है और हमारी फ़िल्म परसों रिलीज़ हो रही है। जबरिया जोड़ी तो खड़के गलासी गाने को खूब प्यार मिल रहा है। 12 साल पहले हमने इस गाने को बनाया था, कंपोज़ किया था मैंने, गाया था और अब दोबारा से मैंने गाया है। और इस गाने को तनिष्क बागची ने बहुत अच्छा म्यूज़िक दे के इस गाने को 4 चांद लगा दिए हैं। आज पूरे हिंदुस्तान में हर चार्ट में ये गाना बज रहा है। बहुत अच्छे मिलियंस मिल रहे हैं आप सबकी दुआओं से। थैंक यू सो मच। और टनाटन को मैं मुबारकबाद दे ही चुका हूँ और कहेंगे तो गा के दे दूँगा।
आपको समझ पड़ेगा जो जू वाला टनाटन है वो इतना फुल चलता है कि ट्रैफिक जैम हो जाते हैं और हम लोग को रोड क्रॉस करना बहुत हार्ड पड़ता है कई बार। तो बहुत खुशी है कि यहाँ भी आ गया दादर में। क्या पता जू का रश भी थोड़ा दादर में आएगा तो हम लोग की ट्रैफिक चलने लगेगी। लेकिन वंडरफुल प्लेस। एंड जब आपको पता है बहुत टेस्टी खाना खाना है और एक ऐसी जगह जाना है जब कोई टेंशन नहीं आए तो रामी वॉज द प्लेस फॉर अस एंड वी लव इट। एंड टनाटन जिस तरीके से उसकी एम्बियंस है बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है। बाहर खड़े हैं लेकिन पसीने का कोई चांस नहीं है। तो अंदर क्या हाल होगा पता नहीं। वेल डन अमित।
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for coming, Mr. Vindu Daras.
नहीं तो हमें बता अब और कितने खोलने वाला है
We are coming up like right now. It's like my 5th outlet what I've opened in Mumbai, and we are coming entire the globe. We already have one in Dubai and Bahrain. This year we are planning one for London also. So for the best.
Plan one for Delhi also.
Sure.
Amit and me go a long way back. I have known Amit for a long time, and my best wishes with Amit. And he's one person who believes in class and quality. So I think that's a great combination. I can't wait to dig into the menu and all the stuff that's at offer here. So great going, bro.
Thank you very much,
And
Amish.
best wishes
Thank
always
you.
with you.
Thank you. Tanatan, when I opened my first outlet, it was like, we were like little nervous. It's the first outlet in India, in Mumbai, like, how it's going to do and all that. But it's given a great platform. So we introduced our place to globe. Like we are having one restaurant in Dubai, one in Bahrain, one in Kolhapur, and this is the 5th outlet of ours. I would like to introduce both these girls. Like, they are the girls like who are behind with these.
So basically, Tanatan means must, and nothing can be more must than Indian food. Seriously. So that was the idea behind this. We wanted to bring in authentic Indian food, present it in a nice style, but keep the flavors as authentic as possible.
So when Tanatan came to us, it was it was like, okay, we have to do North Indian and authentic North Indian, but we have to serve it in a way that Bombay people find it fun as well.
And South Indian.
And South Indian, but
She's from the north, I'm from the
the
south.
kebabs I'm talking about at the moment. So getting the galawats right and getting the Sikhs right was really important for us. And coming from Lucknow, I think that was like one of the most difficult but fun things to do here in Bombay, because the mutton flavor, the water, everything changes, right? But I think we've got it spot on, and between the North Indian and the South Indian, we've covered whole of India.
We have made
and
Amit a very happy person.
and we are
Thank
traveling
you.
the world with Tanatan.
Everywhere is the same cuisine.
It's
like.
the same
But
cuisine.
for Shivaji Park, we did it like a little extra because that is going to be a new cut of the menu,
So
which
where-
has been going to be launched in.
So we've given more. So wherever we open, we try to imbibe that essence. Like in Kolhapur, we've added a bit of Kolhapuri. So when we came here, we realized that people love their meat. So we've added more of meat dishes. We've gone into depth of flavor, got more Indianized, gone into the curries really, and we've done our research more. So I hope you all enjoy the new dishes. We've added a lot of new dishes, and God willing, all these dishes will be added in Juhu and in our other outlets. And he is a taskmaster, Amit. He's very particular.
We
So-
went through some 250 trials.
Yes,
It
literally.
was literally like that.
And I hope you all enjoy what
Yes.
we bring to you. I would say have the Ran biryani.
It's called the Shahenshai Rane Khas.
And that is a must. Pre-order it. आराम से बैठो, खाओ पियो और मजा लो.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Well, there was always a demand wherein we've been listening, people coming from town to our suburbs, wherein Tanatan was serving them those kind of delicious food with that concept. So there was always a need and demand to which we've been thinking over and over again. Yes, this place was there with us for quite some long when we owned this place, and we thought of bringing in a new concept. It used to be China Bistro earlier. So we thought, why not? Why not to bring in that culture what we started in Juhu? So this is how we started, and the end result is there in front of you.
So it's the same concept and when you
Yes. In fact, Tanatan, with all the brand SOPs, like what we have launched in Juhu, what we have launched in Bahrain, Dubai, Kolhapur, it's all the same. And this one is almost the same. Yeah, mine is that dal khichdi,
Lamb chop also.
lamb chop. Yes. That's one dish which I can, eat anytime.
And now will be a Rani Haq, what we are doing, it's going to be a massive hit, this kind of a biryani nobody is doing in this. Ran biryani. We haven't started yet, but still we started getting a lot of calls because I think we are doing very good on our social media. So we are getting a lot of calls, inquiries when it's starting. I think everybody is eagerly waiting for us to open the gate. So finally we are opening the gate tomorrow on 8th of August.
Yes, Tanatan, like you said, is going viral. My next destinations are Indore, Udaipur and Lucknow. Very soon. That is one. And second, because we are expanding in terms of hotels, Rami Group is expanding. So I've signed all these hotels, Lucknow, yes, Udaipur, yes, Indore, yes. And all these hotels where we're signing. So we are bringing our branded specialty outlets as well, along with the resto bars and this food thing. See, concept remains the same, wherein we've been promoting the talents, like what I said a couple of years back when it was Juhu's opening. Yes, we are again pushing up talents. You'll see a lot many talents coming up on the platform and singing for you all, entertaining you all, along with the food. Yes, that's SOP.
Honestly speaking, I'm so happy that Tanatan is now also at Dadar Shivaji Park, especially because I have a couple of friends over here, and when I come here every Tuesday to Siddhivinayak, and I spend time with my friends. So I think this is going to be a really nice place for us to chill out, especially because of the live music that they have. I wish them all the best, and I'm genuinely happy. All the best, all the best.
So basically, मैं अमित को बहुत पहले से जानता हूँ. बहुत पहले मतलब बहुत पहले उतना ज़्यादा नहीं बोल सकते ना, तो हमारी एज पता चल जाएगी. बहुत पहले से
12 years.
हाँ. So from the time that he started till now he's reached a different level altogether. I'm really happy for him from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you, bro. Thanks.
Mashallah, he's done really well for himself.
You're always a well-wisher for me all the
जहाँ
time.
भी अमित जाता है वहाँ पे जो मेन चीज़ होती है, जो खाने में जो बढ़िया चीज़ होती है ना, वो ही आगे बढ़ पाता है. और इस इंसान ने उस चीज़ का हमेशा से खास ख्याल रखा है. And that's why he's always a winner.
Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So all my best wishes and a big congratulations to Tanatan, one of my most favorite restaurants, which has the most amazing food with music. And I've been to Tanatan in Dubai. I've had the pleasure of actually listening to some amazing music there and having such scrumptious Indian cuisine there, and of course the Tanatan in Juhu, and now in Shivaji Park. I think this is fabulous and the location is superb. So I wish the entire team of Tanatan all the very best.
Actually इसका नाम ही टनाटन था, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना टनाटन बनकर ही चलो. तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. देखते हैं अभी अंदर क्या क्या खाने को मिलेगा. हम तो बहुत ज़्यादा भूखे होकर आए हैं. 8 दिन भर रोज़ा रखा हमने.
आपका फेवरेट क्यूजीन के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, क्या पसंद है खाने में?
माय फेवरेट क्यूजिन है चिकन, नहारी, कबाब, कौरमा, बिरयानी, शीर कौरमा, यही खाती हूँ मैं. टनाटन, टकाटक, एवरीथिंग सब होने वाला है. डेफिनेटली मैं बेस्ट विशेस देना चाहूँगी टनाटन को, और मैं दिल से चाहती हूँ कि जब भी हम दादर आएँ हमें फ्री में सर्विस दी जाए.